Welcome guys. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can live stream any game on YouTube without any type of lag. But is it possible to get all of these features like professional intro, chats, face cam, and animations? Yes, of course, all you need is just one mobile. And you will not get any type of watermark also. So, just download an application named Prism Live Studio. Now, just open the app and log in with your account. And now the app is open. Just listen to me carefully, and after a few minutes, you'll be streaming like professionals. And now click on Ready. And here select the platform where you want to stream. And now log in with the account from which you want to go live. And now select whether you want to start a public, unlisted or private live stream. And now set your video's title and description. And now, you are all set. You can simply click on Go Live. And your stream will begin. But at the same time, your stream will have a watermark, plus it will be of low quality and will look unprofessional. Because we have not made the intro yet. So to remove the watermark, just click here and open Settings. Now scroll down a little and you will see this button. Simply turn on this and for free, the watermark is removed. And now the question is, how to start a lag-free and professional live stream. So now, simply click on the option below your channel name. And you will see some options. Now firstly turn off the adaptive bitrate. And now, choose the resolution and bitrate according to your needs. So after doing all these things, simply do a right swipe. And here you will get all those options like chats, intro, music, and animations. The more you explore the app, the more features you will get.
Wow, क्या शेर सुनाया.
Now simply set your intro and thumbnail. And now set your phone to landscape mode. And it's all done. Now you can simply start a professional live stream. But before that, comment whether you like BGMI or Free Fire. And now click on Go Live. After playing the intro, simply click on the screencast. And your phone screen will be live. And here you will get a lot of options. And after that, you can simply end your stream. So, it was that simple. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up.